Good afternoon, journaling friends. This is Cheryl Ann. Today's Thursday, August 1st, and I have another completed journal to share with you today. This is a digital kit from Seneca Pond Crafts. I believe it's called the Beekeeper. I'll have to look up the exact name. I've always wanted to do a beekeeper kit, and this kit is absolutely gorgeous. And another thing I did on this journal, I've always wanted to make one of these closers that you tie on the back and then you wrap it around the whole book. So I did it with this one. So it's attached on the back, and then it comes off like that. It's just a real delightful little journal. She's 8.5 by 5.5. She has 3 signatures. She has 168 pages. So let's take a look. Some of the items in here, I did not glue them in because I thought whoever buys this journal might want to rearrange some things, so they're paper clipped in. She does have the fabric ruffles on some of the pages, and this is from I can't even find this scrapbook paper anymore. I got it over at Michael's a couple years ago, and I have like 5 sheets of it, so I saved it for this book. I did use a couple things from Artie Mae's because she had the sunflowers, and I know you're supposed to fold these little tabs back, but I didn't want to do that, and I wanted to have the pages. This is from Seneca Pond. Isn't that cute? There is tea-dyed paper, and again, this I didn't want to glue in because I thought, maybe somebody doesn't want it there. It would be a nice little pocket. So whoever gets her will get to put that in wherever they want. I did tea dye some. It's that lace kind of fabric, and this is from the kit. And this is from the kit. I mean, the kit is overwhelming. There is so much in this kit. I did make some little handmade tags that I thought, well, it's bees and flowers and sunny things. This is from the kit. Here's some more ruffled paper. This is from the kit, and this. I mean, the kit is just got so much stuff. I'm like, how am I ever going to use all this? That's from the kit. A little tab. Isn't that delightful? I'm always looking for those tabs, and here they are in your kit. So, oh, look at these pages. Just so sunny and cheerful. I actually do have, this is the middle of the first signature. I actually do have honeybees here. They go out to the hummingbird feeders and they suck them dry. This is a little postcard that's with the kit. So that I just clipped in. Some more sunny fabric. Oh, I did download some prints from Pixabay because they're not copyrighted. They're copyright free. And this little thing, I made into a little journaling card. Oh, that's really cute with the little bees on it. So I just typed in bees. This is a little envelope. I thought, I'm not going to permanently attach it because somebody might want to move it over here in this pocket. This is some fabric I got. It's this one with the little bees. There's another. I put a little journaling card in there. And here's another fabric ruffle. This is one of my favorite fabrics. It's just so cute. the little honeycomb, the little, oh, and this is another little tag I made. That's the Artie Maze. If it's sunflowers like that, it's Artie Maze. There's a little, this is from her, the kit, the Seneca Pond. It's a little envelope and it folds out. So I thought, you know, some of these I'm just not going to attach. I'll put them in with clips. This gorgeous sunflower ruffle. Here's it's a little card and it's got lines for writing. She has quite a few of these mason jars, so you'll see those throughout. So that's the end of the first signature. Like I said, there are 3. Here's the beginning of the second. You can see I left plenty of room for either writing or attaching photos. Here's some more lace that I dyed. One of my favorite sunflower fabrics. So there's plenty of room for you to make this unique and special for you. I did do some stenciling. Here's another one of the little tabs. Another envelope that comes with the kit. I mean, this kit is, oh my gosh. This I found on Pixabay, and then I attached a little bit of writing paper on the back. That's the middle of the signature. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, the little flower pot. She just thinks of everything. This I found on Pixabay, so that's copyright free. That's another one I found that went with the bee theme. That's Seneca Pond. I love her work. I'm so thrilled to be on her team. I love this little garden notes. And then you can actually put little notes. I thought, nope, I'm not going to attach it. I'm going to let the person that purchases this journal decide where they want to put it. That's one of my little tags. Oh, I'm going to sneeze here in a minute. Oh, maybe not. Oh, that's one of the postcards. Say a postcard. I'm usually not real fond of insects, but I love bees. That's one of my little tags. That's a little belly band. My fountain out front, the bees come to they come to get the water there all day. And like I said, they visit the hummingbird feeders. Oh, here's one of the mason jar things, so that could be a little tuck spot. Here's another postcard. It's so, her digital kits are just so cute. Look at that, the chair with the beehive. Okay, and this is the third signature. Another little mason jar. That's from her kit. That's from the kit. And here's another little belly band. I only put that there because this one didn't want to stay in. So this is one of my little handmade tuck spots with the flower. Some more tea-dyed lace. Here's a large tag that I put there. Here's an envelope. So that has some place for some secret thoughts. Another postcard. Another fabric ruffle. Another one of my tags. And this will be the middle. Oh, look at that. Such soft, muted colors. Oh, I love it. Here's another little note. Digital. I put that on the end of the envelope. There's another little tag. Oh, this one. This is from Artie Maze. So I made it a little writing book. So that is there. Oh, pages are sticking together. Probably my glue. I'll have to fix that, so I'm going to leave that out. Love that one. Another little tag, and then I think this is at the getting to the end of the book. Yeah, the sunflower there. That's from Seneca Pond. It's from her kit. A couple little tags there. Other fabric ruffles, some stenciling, and that's my card. And I did not attach it. It's just there with a paper clip. So yeah, this is the closure. And see, it matches the fabric I put on the spine and then the scrapbook paper. So it just wraps around. And like I said, I've always wanted to do this. So this is the first journal that I've tried using this technique. So here's a side view. It's just pretty chunky. And when you close her, I did put fabric on right there, but you can see all the yumminess. I mean, isn't that yummy? So there she is. I will put her in my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond. So come on over and take a look. And thanks for stopping by. Until next time, bye for now.